Welcome to Crypto Tech Views. Every day we are reviewing the Bitcoin prices in multiple time frames and in multiple trading systems and predicting the Bitcoin price movement for the next day. We also will analyze global markets data and also analyze Bitcoin options open interest data to come to a consensus of the Bitcoin price movement for the next day. So let us begin the video for today. So we have three charts in front of us. First is 1 hourly, second is 4 hourly, and third is a daily chart. As we could see couple of days back, we got that support at 5,10 super trend level in 1 day chart. Until then, the prices are pumped up. This is a strong bull candle. So we call it as a kind of a leader candle. In 4 hourly, it is very visible. A large candle with good volume is considered as a leader candle, and the rest of the candles follow the leader candle. So at the moment, it's taking 5,10 super trends resistance in 4 hourly and trying to come down a bit. But by any chance, if it can take up this particular super trend level, it can reach around 43,200 level. So it has a potential in a very short term to move up to this level for tomorrow. From the 1 hourly, we could see that it is 5,10 super trend has given a buy signal, plus 10,10 super trend is yet to give the buy signal. It's about to give. So it took a resistance. We could see this is a trading system which captures every small move. See the way it has captured the small move. It took a resistance here and went down. Why? That is because it is hitting 10,10 super trend level. Yeah, and it is consolidating at the moment. If we could see the Camarilla pivots, what we are seeing is it took a support at S3 level. It surpassed with this leader candle. It surpassed the pivot level, and it's consolidated a bit and put another candle with an attempt to cross R4. So any positive closure above R4 is considered as good bullish case for this particular week because it's a 4-hourly chart. Yep. So if it can put one more candle, one more bull candle like this, one more leader candle like this, the leader candle will set the trend for the rest of the week. That means it will go positive mode. But at the moment, it looks like it may eventually consolidate a bit before taking further moves. If we take a look at the Fibonacci retracement, yesterday we saw that the trading range has been shifted above the 61.8% retracement level. Now it has surpassed even that level, and it's now trading between 61.8 to 78.6% retracement levels. If there are no bad or good news, this prices should consolidate between these zones. Right? If you have a look at the EMA ribbon, what we are seeing is now these EMAs, the smaller time frame EMAs. So this is a Fibonacci series EMA ribbon. So this starts with 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, and 233. These are the number of EMAs. So the lower time frame, lower numbered EMAs are now acting as a support and pushing the prices towards the 233 EMA. Once the prices have surpassed this 233 EMA level like this, we can expect one round of rally like this. Probably not like this, but there is a good chance that will be created once it comfortably crosses above this 233 EMA. So see this level. Last time when it went below this 233 level EMA, it retested that particular 233 EMA exactly and then fell really hard. Yeah, the same way, if it surpasses this 233 EMA, it can take a support and rally harder. And if you see a simple trend line and a support band, we could see in the 4-hourly that a long-term triangle breakout has happened. So it already happened once, but it retested the support line In fact, retested this particular trend line and bounced back about this triangle. Yep. So prices, the more it is consolidating, the more time it spends around this zone will give a force for the next leg of rally. Yep. So if you see the anchored VWAP, so this is the anchored VWAP for the previous swing high and swing low. So it took out the resistance in this particular VWAP. This is a VWAP. Yep. From this VWAP is coming from here. So VWAP is volume weighted average price. So it took out this resistance and now trading around this zone. The more it is trading above this particular VWAP, the more good it is for the bulls. Yep. Then there may be a chance that it can go ahead and retest this VWAP. Once it can comfortably surpass this VWAP also, then there may be further good rally. Yeah, from the weekly point of view. So we could see the RSI is trading around 50. ADX is well below the signal line. So this implies a sideways move. Yep. But the good point is this 3-week falling negative candle is snapped in this week, and this is looking a bit positive. And if it can surpass the previous week high, it can go ahead and then retest this triangle upper band. So if we see the global markets, this is Dow Jones, this is S&P 500, this is Nasdaq 100. There is a good news here. See the price breakout in S&P 500 as well as in US 30. It is now trading in the positive territory. It has broken down this falling channel. Broken upside of this falling channel. So if the Nasdaq can trade above this cluster of candle, it's a really good sign for the bulls, and that will eventually trigger a next leg of rally in Bitcoin. So if we see the options open interest data for the April 21, we could clearly see the support, strong support is coming around 40,000. In fact, there is a pretty decent amount of puts have been and call have been written in 41,000. So 41,000 might eventually act as a resistance for tomorrow. At the moment, it is trading at 41,335 or something. But this data suggests that options, put options have been written heavily in these options. So that means that uh, the bulls have a hard time defending this 41,000. 42,000 is an absolute resistance. That's a different story. Even 41,000 is having a kind of decent amount of calls build up has been happened. So 40,000 is certainly a support. 41,000 is supposed to be a decent resistance, but there is a significant amount of put also has been written. That means it can oscillate between around 41,000 itself. So 40,500 to 41,500. This might be the range for tomorrow. That's what this options open interest data suggests. 42,000 will be a certainly strong resistance. 40,000 will be certainly a good support. So that's all for the video today. Where do you think that the Bitcoin prices are heading towards? Please comment and subscribe. Thank you.